Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I prepare chili cheese fries. Start by peeling your potato. Cut off a small piece of the potato to create a flat surface. This will make it easier for you to cut up the potato. After cutting up your potatoes, place them in a bowl of cold water to prevent them from oxidizing, turning brown. Place potatoes in the pot with boiling hot water. Cook for 8 minutes. Boiling the potatoes prior to baking will make them extra crispy. Place potatoes on a baking sheet. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil or oil of your choice and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Toss slightly. Bake at 415 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Add about a half a cup of chili and 1/4 cup nacho cheese. You will find my homemade chili recipe in the description box. And there you have it, chili cheese fries. I hope you enjoy. Bye!